Hey guys, it is the 10th of December, and we got another one from Quote Me Not. We got this no-name laminated log with the red plastic. That works. Let's see if we can pick it and get it on the tree. We already have a yellow one, so why not have the red one too? Okay. And my trusty tension wrench, I think, here. And where is my shot hook? Trusty shot hook as well, that I use for most picks, or most locks, I mean. Okay. A little click on 1, a little one on 2. Nothing on 3, unfortunately. 4, nothing. Okay. Come on. Okay, now I get nothing. Try from the back first. See if that does anything. Okay, good click there. On 3, by the way. But now the others give nothing. Maybe if we try a little bit deeper pick, we may have an easier way. Okay, try from the front again. Okay, that did something, I think. Feels like some stuff is stuck, which could be a good thing. Click on 3 and we open. Nice. Okay. Should we? I think we should. That thing, worm rake, city rake, S rake, and a half diamond. Let's try sipping it first this time. Nope. Let's try rocking it with the S rake. The L rake or city rake. Okay. Yeah, maybe. Or maybe it's the tension rings actually. And now that I look at it, maybe the tension rings is slipping. I think that's it. Try and do it like this. Then a worm rake. Come on. New. This thing. Try and turn it this way. Trying to not make the table squeak too much. And we got it. And that's what I said, I think, last video. This weird thing, I still don't know what it's called. Sometimes this is just amazing to rock with. Okay, last thing. The S-rake. Gotta love an S-rake. Sadly, it's the only one from Salford I have. And that's my preferred profile for the S-rig. Trying to lighten the tension just slightly here. Nope. Okay, last thing. Unwrap the pig gun. As I mentioned, I think it was the last video, my Chronos has broken, and I'm thinking about getting a new electric pig gun at some point. Probably not a Chronos, but still. Oh yeah. Pig gun for the win. And let's see, what did work? That weird thing. Did the S-rig work? I already forgot about that now. Pig gun worked, and of course the short hook worked. Yeah, all in all, pretty nice. Oh, I locked it. I shouldn't have, so let's get it on the tree. And I think we place it in the opposite side of last time, so right there, which means 10 locks on the tree. Boom. We need 12 more. What am I talking about? 14, not 12. Alright. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. Remember, skill always beats luck, and have a great day.